Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'll be breaking down the top 3 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for about 1 to 2 weeks. So stay tuned. Now the first stock, or I should say the first pattern that I'll be sharing with you is on SLB. Now here is SLB, all right? And let's change the time frame to the 4-hour time frame. And the reason why I want y'all to keep this in your watch list is because of this right there. I see a left shoulder, I see a head, and I see a right shoulder, okay? And based on my previous videos, if this is so, and if it acts the way we want it to act, then it's good for long. And the price target is actually right up here. It's either here around $24 when it climbs up through in the next 1 to 2 weeks, or it's here if it hits that line first. The reason why I like this so much is because number one, the pattern is there. Number two, it actually survived earnings and held that specific price target. And number three, if this goes according to plan and breaks this neckline right up here, right, and it crosses this on Monday, then the first price target is at $21 right here, okay? And if it ends up breaking that, then the next target is at $23 to $24 right up here. Now the second pattern that I would like to share with y'all is on SGMS. And SGMS is right here, right there. As you can see, it's the same pattern over again, right? Same pattern. There is the left shoulder, there is the head right there, and there is the right shoulders right here. And as you can see, it survived the earnings, held this price. And if you go on the daily chart, this one is actually much more interesting. As you can see, the pattern is still there, and the price target is up here, right at $21 again, okay? And the other reason why I want to show you this is because of the bottom. Look at this massive volume spike right there. Just know that massive volume spikes don't happen for no reason. Just keep that in mind. So yeah, this is another one that you want to keep on your watch list for the same exact reason. The left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. And what I expect from the stock is for this thing to climb maybe by next Friday, right up here. So hopefully by next Friday. And the reason why I say that is not only because of the volume spike, but just imagine being a short seller, shorting the stock right there prior to earnings, and you got crushed here. Just imagine if you were short in that position and you got squeezed like that. What do you think is gonna happen? And even imagine if you were in this short, you didn't sell on Friday, and on Monday it opens higher. What do you think is going to happen? That is the psychology behind this specific setup. Now, before I move on to the third and final pattern of this video, if you got value from this video, destroy the like button and also subscribe if you're new. The third and last pattern that I would like to share with y'all is on NUVA. And NUVA is right here. All right, let's move. Actually, it's on the right time frame. Let me just zoom in right there. And again, this one is an incomplete reverse head and shoulders again. So the theme of this entire video is the reverse head and shoulders, all right, on 3 different stocks breaking out on the same day. All right, so here is the right shoulder, and again, same thing. Imagine you got short on Thursday, Friday is green, and it's not just green, it's a green hammer. Let's zoom into that. This is a green hammer right there, and imagine it opens higher. What do you think the short sellers are going to do? Just think about it. Now the price target for this one again is, one thing that I want you to keep in mind is that earnings is in 2 weeks, but hopefully, right, if this thing behaves like I have seen it behave, we should see this thing back up here to the price target, hopefully before earnings, because I do not like holding positions through earnings because the reaction can be pretty unpredictable. So I almost always try to stay away from holding positions through earnings. Now, is it guaranteed that these 3 stocks are gonna move in that specific direction within that specific time frame? Obviously not. That's why it's very important to keep a good eye on your trades, just in case the stock misbehaves, just in case. If you're a beginner and you like the way I trade and you like my strategy and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some links down below to show you the specific steps to get started. I also left a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below. Hopefully it helps you understand the terms that I use in my videos and my day trading strategy, and also the market as a whole. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one. Take care.